Very good evening to all student members. I welcome you all for the today's workshop on career development and project management for students. In this program, we will explore how project management skills can shape your career and make you industry ready professionals. Before moving on to the main subject presentation, we will have the session objectives. The main key objective of the session is to make you to gain practical project management skills in real time by understanding different certification pathways like certified associate in project management or scrum master, and develop essential soft skills such as leadership and communication. We will also focus on gaining real world experience by building up strong professional networks and improving adaptability in dynamic environments. So these are the main agenda for today's the workshop session. Now we directly get into the problem definition. What is meant by a project management exactly? A project management is the structured application of various ingredients, say technical knowledge, communication skills, various methodologies or techniques to successfully complete a project. The main basic functions of the project management involves planning, organizing, and executing tasks to transform the idea into real-world measurable outcome, such as a product, services, or a system. Let us see some of the main important key aspects of project management. Here are some of the main primary key aspects of project management. First one is defining the project scope very clearly, identifying the deliverables or the outcome of the project, managing the resource constraint, that is, managing the risk effectively, and ensuring strong communication among all stakeholders involved in the project. So these are the basic essential skill set every project management professional must have. Next one, what are the nature and role of project professionals in project management? Behind every successful project, there are skilled project professionals. These individuals ensure that the goals are achieved very efficiently. They combine technical knowledge, leadership skills, and practical experience to deliver successful outcomes. Now, let us see what are the various approaches of project management. First one is predictive project management approach. In this type, of approach, we have to define the project definition with clear requirements, what you are going to do it in a step-by-step manner, followed by sequential process. Here, each phase is completed before moving to the next one. And this method is best suited method for the early career beginner. Next one, adaptive approach. Adaptive approach is ideal for projects with changing requirements. It is flexible, iterative, and encourages continuous improvement and collaboration throughout the project life cycle. The third one is hybrid project management approach. The hybrid approach combines both predictive and adaptive methods. It allows project managers to maintain structure at the same time ability to adapt to frequent changes, making it suitable for complex projects. So with this few introduction, now we will start a practical case study. by sharing the hands-on experience about the project management. Let us now understand the project management through a real-world case study, Echo Bridge Infrastructure Project. The goal is to construct a pedestrian bridge using recycled materials within a limited fixed budget, and they have to satisfy the timeline by pleasing various multiple stakeholders involved in the project. In the planning phase, the work breakdown structure helps to divide the project into smaller segment of tasks. Identifying the critical path is very challenging. Even though there are some delays in key activities like laying foundation work that may show cyclic effect in the entire project timeline. So each and every project activities must be executed as per the allotted time, and the whole project has to be completed before the deadline. So these things we have to see under planning phase. Then what are the challenges faced in the mid-project crisis? During the project execution, unexpected challenges may arise. In this case, supply chain disruptions and the resource conflict occur. The project manager must decide between the strategies like crashing or fast tracking to stay on schedule exactly. Next one, monitoring the earned value management of the project. In order to monitor the performance of the project, earned value management is used. By comparing the planned value, actual cost, and earned value, the project manager can assess whether the project is on track or not. So when the cost performance index is considered to be less than 1, it indicates that the project is over budget. This requires immediate corrective action to improve the efficiency and control the cost. So in this reality check, the cost performance index is considered to be 0.78 and it is less than 1. So we have to make some immediate corrective action to improve the efficiency by controlling the cost. Next one is responsibility assignment matrix. So this table tells about the clarity in various roles and responsibility held by various stakeholders like project manager, engineer, and city council. It defines who is responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed. So this reduces the confusion and improving the team coordination through effective collaboration. So what are the project outcome and lessons learned from this case study? The result is the bridge was completed slightly 1 week later. So this work was not done within the tight deadline schedule. But they followed some effective strategy to minimize the delay. The key lesson learned here is the importance of risk planning and having backup suppliers to improve the project resilience. So this is all about the project learning outcomes from the past experience. So before I move on to the conclusion, I would like to give you the overall the summary about today's the workshop on career development in project management for students. So in the beginning segment, we discussed about the role and nature of project management professionals. What are the various key functional aspects of project professionals and the different approaches followed by the project professionals, say predictive, adaptive, and hybrid. Then followed by that, we took a real-time case study to understand more deeper how the project management activities are carried out in practical field, say construction of a bridge. So we took that project for a better explanation. And also we saw the different resource constraint challenges with reference to the allotted budget, and also the various lessons and key takeaway learned from the practical case study. So with the above all, I conclude that project management is not just about organizing the task. It is about managing uncertainty and change. Success depends upon how effectively the challenges are handled by the project management professionals. Every project management professional must have a disciplined mindset and use of right tools. These are highly essential in this domain. So once again, I thank all the student members. Kindly take these information back to your team and convert these plans into a real performance. Once again, thank you all. We will meet in the next subsequent career development program with a different topic of agenda. Thank you once again.